Dear students, today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 4 for class 7th. So let's open chapter number 4. Chapter number 4 is using Excel as database, that is at page number 34. So this is page number 34 where you can see the chapter number 4, which is using Excel as a database. So we are coming to the exercise of this chapter now, that is at page number 40. So here we are going to fill the blanks. First is, a database is a collection of what type of informations. So here we have to fill particular informations. Next is, what provides an easy way to enter or display a record. So here we have to write form. Means a form provides an easy way to enter or display a record. Next, third is here, which is a column label for the field in a database. So we should write here field name. Write here field name. So field name is a column label for the field in a database. Next is, to restrict cell entries within the specified range, what should be used? So here should be data validation option should be used. Right here data validation. Next is, to search a record with specific value, click on what button? We should click on criteria button, where criteria generally is known as conditions. Next is, what provides an easy way to represent the data in a summarized way? So here should be written as pivot table. Right here pivot table. Now come to the true false of this chapter. So first is, records refers to rows in a database. Yes, it is true. Next is, field names can be duplicated in the database. No, it couldn't be duplicated. Next is, you can sort the data only in one field. No, we can sort data in any field. Next is, field represents a column in a database. Yes, it is known as field. Means columns are known as field in a database, and rows are known as records. Next is, subtotal values in the database are calculated with count function. No, sum function is used for this. Next is, in a database one cannot rearrange the data as per the need. No, it is false. Next is, form provides the option to delete a particular record. Yes, it is correct. Now come to the next page of this chapter, where we should solve the application based questions. So first is, Kanika is a chartered accountant. She looks after the accounts of various companies and keeps their records in Microsoft Excel. She does not have any idea how to view only those records that she wants to see. Suggest to her the feature of Microsoft Excel using which she can perform this task. So she should use here filter feature. Right here filter feature. Next is, Varun is maintaining the mark sheet of this class in Microsoft Excel. The teacher has asked Varun to find the maximum and minimum marks obtained in the class. What things should be used by him? So here two functions should be used. First is max function, that is maximum, and second function is mini function, min for minimum. Now come the multiple choice questions of this chapter. So first is, which option is used to restrict the cell entries within a specified range? So here should be data validation that we have filled before in fill in the blanks. Next is, which button under data tab is used to remove a duplicate value from a column? So answer is remove duplicates. Next is, which feature in a database provides an easy way to enter or display a complete row of information? So a form is this. Form feature is used for that in a database. Next is, what do we call a row in a database? Records are known as row in a database. Which feature allows us to rearrange or arrange? Which feature allows us to arrange the given data according to a particular field either in ascending or descending order? So this is known as sort process, sort feature. Now come to the question answers of this chapter. So here is the first question of this chapter, which is, what is a database? So A database is a collection of information related to a particular subject which helps the user to organize, retrieve, sort, and edit data as per their requirements. Next question is, what are the rules to enter field names? So firstly, what we have to do, each field name should be placed in a separate cell and field names should be a unique. These are the two rules. Next question is, what is sorting? Sorting means arranging the given data according to a particular field either in ascending or descending order in a worksheet. Next question is, describe the utility of filter feature. The filter feature allows to see only those records that only want to see, while it hides away the rest of the data temporarily from the view. Next question is, what is the pivot table? So pivot table is a powerful tool for consolidating, summarizing and representing data. And the last question of this chapter is, what is the difference between filter and advanced filter option? So the filter option allows to see only those records that only want to see, while it hides away the rest of the data temporarily from the view. However, advanced filter option is used to filter the data in multiple fields using specified criteria. Now the exercise of this chapter is completed.